All right, we are back at the 2023 Miss Dig 811 annual meeting. I am here with Bruce. Bruce, how do you interact with Miss Dig, and what's important to you about interaction with Miss Dig?
So we're doing something very unique and building brand new fiber optic networks in the very rural parts of the Upper Peninsula and other parts of Michigan, including the Thumb. So Miss Dig is very important to us for two reasons. One is to protect our own fiber that we're putting in the ground. And then we're also very conscious as an excavator of obviously respecting the other communication and utilities out there so we don't hit their technology while we're installing our own.
All right. Well, thank you, and you are doing very, very good work. I appreciate your service to Michigan.
Thank you.